What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my this video. In this video I will show you how to start Instagram marketing as a beginner, and I will show you a real life case study of one of my student. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and if you want to make more money over 10,000 per month, then check my number one recommendation and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing and if you want to run your online business successfully for lifetime, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Now in this video I will show you a real life case study. One of my student, she is a girl and she is a student. She just started this Instagram marketing in 2 weeks ago, and he is working with health and fitness niche. Health and fitness is one of the biggest category of online marketing, and you can choose this health and fitness or any kind of niche as your wish. You can choose and you can start your Instagram marketing. Now see here, here's Bakira Sultana, one of my student. He is starting this Instagram marketing in last 2 weeks ago, and he wants to build his Instagram profile as an fitness trainer, and he's posting in this Instagram platform regularly. You see here. Now I will discuss about 3 steps. If you follow these 3 steps, then you can get results, I assure you. But at first I want to say it's not an hurry method or hurry tricks. I don't suggest you to use any software for doing it, or there is no scammy task inside here. So if you want to get overnight success, then this video is not for you. Not this video, not any method or software can provide you overnight success. If you want to grow your organic traffic, free traffic, then you have to grow it day by day gradually. But if you want to get it in overnight, then it's not possible. So if you want to get results from Instagram marketing, and if you don't overnight success, then follow my 3 steps. Step number 1, you have to choose your niche. Now she choose health and fitness category, and you see here he post various every post inside his profile is related with health and fitness. So you have to choose your niche first. You don't need to choose health and fitness. You can choose make money, sports, movie, real estate, a lot of categories inside in internet marketing. So you can choose any of the niche as your like, but I suggest you to choose your niche as your um, passion, or as your interesting thing that will help you to grow your Instagram profile, and that will help you to work inside Instagram. Then set up your bio. You see here, he just set up his name and a bio line. Keep your vitality. A life without health is like a river without water. Just a health and fitness quote. And you can um, use any quotes about your targeted niche. Now you see my profile, my Instagram profile, and my Instagram uh, marketing is related with make money. And you see here my name, digital marketer, blogger of I am niche, and a code. And if you want to learn, then click here, you can set a link. Now step number 3, post in daily basis. Now look here how many posts she does every day. You see here she posted in 3 hours ago and get 4 likes, and on comments this 10 likes and 2 comments is in 11 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 1 day ago. So 1 2 3 4 5, she posts 5 posts in a day. So I recommend you, or I suggest you, minimum 4 or 5 posts per day. Your consistency will help you to grow your Instagram profile. If you can grow it once, then you can get results from this Instagram for a lifetime. So you have to build it fast, and it's not possible in overnight. See here, within these 2 weeks she posted 59 posts and she gets 82 followers. So you have to work in daily basis, and you will get results by gradually. It's a slower game, but it's for lifetime. You see here his profile, and I recommend you use your personal image 3 or 4 times in a week. Then it will help you that it's a real account. And I personally, I don't like fake profile, and your customer also doesn't like it. And if you grow your Instagram as an fake account, then you don't get the best result from Instagram. So use your personal account. She is a girl and she is a student, and if she can, then why you don't do it? So I think all these 3 steps will help you to grow your Instagram profile, and it will help you to make money within 5 or 6 months later. guys, take action and start your Instagram marketing from today. It's not possible to get it in overnight. You have to grow it day by day. So guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, then copy it, search it, and follow me. And if you want to follow my student, then copy it, search it, and follow her. I suggest you to follow her if you want to promote health and fitness needs. Then you will get a lot of info inside his profile, and I suggest you to follow me and follow my student in Instagram. So guys, that's it. If this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any questions, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the others. And check my video description, you will see my Facebook page, and if you want to communicate with me, then send message here and you will get a lot of info inside my Facebook page, and you will also get 12 income increasing bonuses inside my video description, and you can get all these 12 bonuses for free. So guys, if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and I am uploading videos in daily basis. I think if you want to run your online business successfully for a long time, then this YouTube channel will help you. A lot of info inside my YouTube channel for the beginners or an expert. And if you want to make money over 10,000 per month, then subscribe my number 1 recommendation. And look here is my earning, and it's an high ticket program. I am promoting this, and if you want to make big money, then check my video description and get it. I have made 12 high ticket sales already inside here. So guys, all of your 3 steps. At first, choose your niche, set up your bio, and post in daily basis. That's it. So guys, best of luck, take action, and get the best results from Instagram marketing.